Hi guys, it's me, Munhib, and I did last time Hamza's leg didn't broke. It his knee twisted, and now he's fine. And I thought that I could make a video to let you see the beauty of Calabar. Okay, let's go. Hamza, where are you going?
I'm smelling flowers.
You are allergic to flowers.
No, I am. No, I am. No.
You're allergic. Don't.
This tiny piece of flower will kill me, you think, huh?
Yeah. Of course.